Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Pokemon TCG pocket error code 102002007. Now this code is usually a network and server authentication error. So if I come back here, I have Pokemon TCG, and the way I fix this, you just go ahead and change your network connection, right? Such as a different Wi-Fi network, or you switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data. And if you have any VPNs, then what I suggest you go ahead and do is just go ahead and disable the VPN you are currently using. Okay, make sure it's disabled, restart your router, that also fixes the issue. If you have any other background applications, close those as well, and just go ahead and restart your device. That usually helps. But otherwise, that should fix your issue. It's just a network error. Try again later as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.